bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, so she drippin' swag goo. You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, so she drippin' swag goo. Oh.
What's up, Life is Kia? Welcome back to my channel, and I am starting this video Thursday, June 1st. So happy Pride Month, happy June 1st. Hope y'all had enough money to pay y'all rent this money. Happy. Let me get that light. Okay, that's a little better. So yeah, y'all, I am sort of copying someone. I like how they do it. It gives you motivation to get up and vlog. So I am going to start posting my vlogs on the weekend. Give y'all time to just rest and cool out and watch my vlogs. So all week I am going to be vlogging, but I'm also still going to be putting up my shorts daily, my TikToks daily, my Instagram daily, which by the way, we're almost at 2,000. Hopefully by the end of this video, we're at 2,000 followers on Instagram. Hold on, Kia. You didn't tell them about that you have an extra special surprise? You doing all that rambling, girl. I'm over here adding, like, why are you rambling? But y'all, as the title says, I am going to be an ambassador for a big brand soon. I am going to probably say in the middle of the video, just in case, because I don't want to jinx anything. I don't want to jinx anything, basically. So just watch it to the end of this video, and when I get to the part, comment down a pink heart to tell me that you made it. And y'all, I'm gonna be making these vlogs a lot more quality, and yeah, so let's get back to the video.
That's nasty, baby.
Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it. I just want a roughneck nigga on the tongue. You just wanna send me automatic with a drum. Ask me if I'm finished now, I just begun. I ain't giving out no 90 to no nigga just for fun. Are you dumb? Other man, I don't know no other man. You like 100 niggas just for 100 bands. I don't even got me 100 bands. I'm still gonna make me 100 M's with 100 plans. Give me peso, extendo.
Funkilla.
I let it fall. My heart.
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I do right all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, and my body. My body says my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to do is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, till my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy.
These smell so fucking good. This, I guess it's sriracha. Yeah, that smells so fucking good. I might want to get that. And these smell so good too. Okay, y'all, so it's the next day. We're at home, we're relaxing, and if you haven't watched my TikTok, y'all saw I did this in my daughter's phone, and a studdless TV mount. So all you need is a hammer. You put the TV on the wall. Now, I don't want to jinx myself and both just come crashing down and I gotta buy 2 big screen TVs again. But we're not gonna think negative, we're gonna think positive, because that's how we do. We're gonna think positive. So I have to go vacuum, and we're gonna see if this is on the wall again, or this begins look. So y'all, it's not moving. It's on there. It's on there. I think this one's on there a little better than I had the uniques, because that's not moving. That's not moving. So this part becomes the hard part. Last time, it's not the hard part, it's the scary part. Yeah, the scary part. So last time I was recording, so not to be superstitious, we're gonna record again so it don't fall. So, okay, let's do it. It's up there, y'all. It's up there. It's up there. And it ain't moving. It ain't moving. So let's plug it in before I show y'all. And yes, I need a wall little cover thing. We can get that later. We just want this bad boy on the wall first. I'm good. Y'all, I did it! It's up there. It's up there. It's up there. Kia 2. Studdless mount. Whew. Y'all pray it don't fall. Y'all pray it stay up there. Okay? Okay. We gonna put it there. It's not dark right there. But y'all, the best orange juice. That's not what I want to tell y'all. Y'all just come talk to me. Come talk to me. So in the beginning of the video, I had good news. Like I said, I got good news, y'all. So I'm rambling. Like I'm nervous. I don't want to jinx it. I don't want nothing to happen to it. But I got an email today. Like I almost forget I applied for it, but the brand I am going to start working with is Shein or Shein, however you say it, baby. I am officially a campus ambassador. I have to learn how to talk if I want to do this shit. But But y'all, I am super happy. Like, I'm not jinxing nothing. I'm just praying. I'm just praying that it's not a mistake, that it comes back. Cause baby, like I said, our marathon not a fucking race. Like, y'all pick me. And then I'll be sitting there, be doing a little Shein, little events here in Cali. Bruh. I'm so fucking happy. I am, let me stop cursing. I am so happy. I'm so happy, y'all. Like, that shit true. It's not a fucking race, it's a marathon. You count me out, baby. Keep counting me out so I can keep, man. But whew, man, God is amazing. What can you say? God is amazing. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna end today's vlog here. I'm not gonna end the vlog here. I can't even talk no more. Hold on, y'all. Oh, there's a reason why it's so dark in here. Hopefully this can help, because it be hot and these seats be burning. These seats just be burning. Like, the curse of having leather seats is real in California. But yeah, so that's it for today's part of the vlog. So